What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's doing well. It's been a while since we have been in the garage working on the Jeep or done anything related to making a video for the YouTube channel. We've had a lot going on. As you can see, there's some stuff moved around. There's no more CJs over there. My Jeep is outside. My brother's Datsun's up on the lift. And this is what we're working on next. These are our two 1979 Cherokee Chiefs that we're gonna be taking on next. And we have to decide which one of these two we're gonna pick and work on specifically, because we kind of have an idea, but we'll see as the day goes along. But before that, what did we pick up?
Yeah, besides figuring out which one of those we're gonna take and use, we did get our 6.0 LS sitting over here. We got our trans to go with it, which is a 4L80E. And these are good to go. It's just a matter of kind of stripping everything down. And once we get our frame that we're going to use, we're going to get these all put together and mocked up in the frame. So we're pretty excited.
Yeah, exactly. And if you guys have any recommendations, we've been talking back and forth on kind of the necessities. We don't want to do a full rebuild on this engine because we know it's good, it's running. But we were kind of talking about what needs to be done to just freshen it up and get it in the Cherokee and get it going.
Yeah, we know we want to do all new gaskets and seals and things like that. We thought about maybe a cam and a performance mod, but I think we're just going to hold off on that for now. But we just want to get it in the Jeep, running, all new belts, all that good stuff, and then figure out our wiring from there.
Exactly, yeah. So LS 4L80E, and this is a 241 transfer case. This Jeep isn't going to be a rock crawler, so we don't need any crazy Atlas or anything like that. But hey, it can always be upgraded down the road. One more thing before we start tearing into this Cherokee. To everyone that bought a Built Different Garage flag, thank you very much. It's been awesome to see you guys rocking the flags in your garage, man cave, whatever, woman cave, you never know. But I don't think a lot of women watch this channel besides maybe my fiance and mom. So just putting that out there. But if you guys want a flag, make sure to send me a DM or email me and I'll get one sent out to you. I'm charging 15 bucks, no shipping, free shipping for you. But enough talk. Let's start tearing this thing apart and decide which one of these two we officially want to build. Both of these Jeeps are actually in great shape for their age and for the fact that they've both been sitting outside for a majority of their life. But that still doesn't help us, especially on the East Coast. There's rust everywhere. So both of these Jeeps are pretty rusty, and as we start pulling this second one apart, we are noticing that it is in better shape than the other one that we have torn down. Still doesn't mean that it is in perfect shape. There is still rust that needs to be repaired, but the further we dive into this Cherokee, the quicker we realize that this is going to be the better candidate for us to use. And so far we are leaning towards using this one. As you can see on the side of the Jeep, there are already some patch panels that a previous person has tried to repair themselves. And that is kind of all over the Jeep. You can see some surface rust here and there. But for the most part, this Jeep is in great shape. The floor pans, you'll see later, need to be completely replaced. But we're enjoying it. It's a great Jeep. It's got a solid foundation, and we can't wait to keep sharing this build with you guys. Okay, so we're in the middle of tearing this thing down, and I pulled the center console out, and check this out. That's gross. That is not factory.
Yeah, that's freaking. I can't believe you didn't find like a skeleton in there.
Yeah, something was definitely living underneath this center console.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Right inside of there.
Good little nest going on.
Yeah, I know. That stuff's.
But we just evicted him.
I think he's been evicted for a while.
Yeah.
Are you working on heat and stuff?
Yeah. I don't want to break these bolts off in here because it's going to be a nightmare to try to replace them. So just want to get them heated up, soften them up. I should say heat them up a little bit so they come out easier.
Yeah, cool. We're making really good progress. Time-lapsing this because we're going to be here a while. So hope you guys are enjoying the time lapse we got going on. So we're going to get back after it, but I had to show you guys that. Alrighty, and we are inside the Jeep now, and you can get an idea as to what the floor pans look like. It looks like behind the driver's seat, someone tried to repair the floor themselves, and I don't know what kind of material or metal it was. I don't think it was a replacement floor pan because it just looks kind of homemade. You can see the rust, it's pretty bad. You're almost flintstoning there. And then in the back of the Jeep here, the floor is actually in great shape. The wheel wells are in great shape, and there's pretty much zero rust in the back, which is great.
Yeah, these floors compared to the other Cherokee, these are in much better shape. They may not look like it, but they really are.
Yeah, you're flintstoning in the other one over there, on the driver's side at least. So, but yeah, it's a little stuff we're taking off now, which is kind of tedious and a little boring. So I'll give you guys another update once we get most of that stuff taken off. I also want to interrupt and add that we now have a P.O. box. It's P.O. Box 120, and it's going to be Boyds, Maryland, and the zip code is 20841. I'll add something on the video here, but also I'll put it in the description. And if you guys want to send us anything, stickers, I don't know, things to do, things to try.
Cash.
Don't listen to him. He's getting senile in his old age, but he likes candy. So if you want to send him candy, he's an old man that likes candy. So specifically chocolate.
No, gummy worms.
Gummy worms. Do not do that. Your dentures can't withstand that.
I don't have dentures. Stop.
No. So if you guys want to send us anything, just I don't know. Thought I'd throw that out there now that we have a P.O. box. But back to work. Look, it even came with some toothbrushes.
Oh.
Oh.
What are those inside the...
Yeah, under the carpet. Imagine brushing your teeth with that.
Oh, that's
I'll give you $100.
100?
Dude, chill.
320.
That's disgusting. We're cleaning up right now and throwing some stuff away.
Wait a minute. Who's cleaning up?
Well, dude, I took this crap out and it is disgusting.
Dude, I'm pretty sure...
First off, hold on. Before we talk about it, they were using... I don't know who the previous owner was. They were using wood blocks as spacers for the seats.
Yeah.
And then there's house carpet. That is house carpet that was underneath this stuff.
God.
Is that Red Carpet Factory?
Hell no. This is definitely some like cheap aftermarket stuff.
Oh, yeah, that's house carpet. This stuff.
Oh God.
Look at it.
Oh.
And it was all soaking wet. When I was pulling it out, I didn't have gloves on. Dude, it was gross.
I think they were using this as padding underneath this red crap. So this is...
That doesn't make any sense. But this stuff also reminds me of like those Tempur-Pedic, like...
Yeah, memory foam.
Yeah. And just like that, it is the next day and we're in the garage working again. These two guys are going to be working on Aaron's 280Z door, getting it tore down. We just got back from the junkyard, which was in Pennsylvania. I don't remember where, but... it was definitely an experience. They had a lot of stuff. I think they had like 10 280Zs, 40Zs,
Yeah,
ZXs.
Just about every condition known to man.
Yeah, and they actually had a bunch of CJs, YJs, Cherokee Chiefs, Wagoneers, a lot of cool stuff. But nothing we could have used for the Cherokee Chief that we're working on, mainly because we have everything we need or we can buy it somewhere else. So I didn't feel like bringing the camera around, mainly because it just the situation we were in.
Yeah, but
like I didn't want to put anybody that worked there in a weird position to be on camera or anything like that. But we're back and we're gonna keep working on the Cherokee. They're gonna work on the 280Z door.
yeah, we did find one car that had a pretty decent piece around the windshield that we can use on his car. We got to go back up and cut that out. But other than that, it was worth it. I think the trip was worth it.
This right here is the fun part about getting bolts off rusty frames. These bolts are so bad we have to heat them up using the mini ductor, which is actually convenient, but there's just rust everywhere underneath here, and does not make.
See how red that's getting?
Doesn't make this stuff fun. This is the not fun part.
Yeah, this is the stuff that takes a lot of time and is boring.
Yeah.
But has to be done. Ready?
Yep. The way they attach the bodies to these frames from the factory was just absolutely terrible, and it does not help our situation here. Removing these body mounts was not an easy task, to say the least. It was a pain in the butt. When I went around initially to take them out, 2 of them came out perfectly fine with the impact, and we had to go back around. WD-40 and heat is what we had to use on a few others, and that worked. But on 2 of them, which the back 2 that you see us working on, were the absolute worst, and they needed the Sawzall, and that was the only way we were able to get them out. And it took us I'd say about 45 minutes per side. The passenger side was a lot easier. The driver's side took a lot more to get at, but we got them both off. I think we just spent the past hour getting these body mounts off. Only 4 of them came off just with the ratchet or the impact and some heat, and then the other ones we had to cut off, drill through the floor, and hold the nut from spinning. That little stupid square washer, I don't know what Jeep was thinking from the factory, because it sucks.
Well, I know what they were thinking. They were thinking nobody 35 years down the road are going to try to
Yeah, I know.
pull the body off.
Yeah, but it's been a complete disaster, and we officially got the last one off. So now we can start working on the other stuff we wanted to work on, like the dash and the tailgate and things like that. But I want to get this video up for you guys, so I don't know how much further we're going to get. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is a quick little intro into the new build. I know we've posted a little bit about this a couple times, or this project in general. So now that we're officially going full steam ahead, we're gonna have a lot more videos on this build series, and looking forward to it. It's gonna be a fun project, and hope to see you guys in the next one. And if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you want to see more.
See you guys.